Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2015 Chevrolet Stingray Coupe Z51 2LT in Laguna Blue with black accents. So we'll just start over at the trunk area. I'll let you have a look. So this one does have a removable targa top that is a transparent or glass roof. So it has a black look to it from the outside. When we pull it up and look underneath, it has a see-through or blue look to it. This one has a car cover and it comes with the Corvette branded car battery maintainer. We've got the cargo netting down below, and we've got storage in this area. It's got the fuel filler tube, which is used for fueling outside of fuel stations. So we'll lock the transparent roof back into place like so. It's got the privacy shield, so there's one piece there. There's another piece up top. We'll go ahead, we'll close the trunk lid. It's got the Z51 style carbon flash metallic rear spoiler, looks great. It's got the carbon flash badge package, and we've got the NPP quad tip performance exhaust. So the two outer ports, as you can see in there, there's a damper there, and there's one on the outer port just right there. So those dampers will open and close electronically based on the mode, the drive mode that you have the vehicle in, to make the exhaust louder or quieter. It's got the LED taillights with the carbon flash metallic surrounds. And we'll just shift around to this side here. We've got the carbon flash metallic vent insert here, looks great. And we've got the black Z51 style wheels with black calipers and the heavy duty Z51 brakes with the Michelin tires on there. We've got exposed carbon fiber Z06, Z07 style side skirts, look fantastic. And at the door panel here, we've got the nice baseball stitching. We've got the 10 speaker Bose stereo, power windows, power locks, and electronic door release. On the power seat, we've got power fore, aft, up, down, power recline, power lumbar, and side bolster adjustments. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks great. And we've got the competition seats in this with the carbon fiber inlays. Looks great. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And we'll have a look in the glove box. So we do have the books, that's perfect, they come with it. We've got the baseball stitching on the lower portion of the dash. We've got heated and cooled seat controls here for the passenger temperature display, and passenger temperature control. And just have a look at the condition of the dash while we're on this side. Looks great. So we'll just hop out and we'll close this side up. We've got the carbon flash painted mirrors, and they've got a 3M protected cover on the front of them there. Goes nicely with the blue. And I'll just start at the back and I'll scan down this side of the car for you so you can see the condition. Looks great. And at the front here, there's your carbon flash Stingray emblem and carbon flash vent. And again, those nice exposed carbon fiber side skirts. Looks great. Here's your front wheels. So again, Z51 style wheels, heavy duty brakes, black painted Corvette calipers, and nice Michelin tires on there. Under the hood, we've got the V8 6.2 liter motor, which is 460 horsepower, and that's paired to a 7-speed manual transmission. So lots of power, lots of fun to be had. With the Z51, you do get the dry sump. So there's the dry sump oil system there. And then you also get the heavy duty cooler. So you got the rear differential cooler and the transmission cooler. And then we do have a cable here for MagRide as well. Here's your hood liner with the embossed Corvette logo, looks great. So we'll go ahead, we'll close up the hood. We'll have a look from the front. So here it is from the front. We've got the carbon flash metallic hood stinger stripe there on the hood, and then the carbon flash metallic vent. We've got the black housing HID projector headlights with LED daytime running lights and LED turn signals. And then further down below, we've got the ACS style carbon fiber exposed carbon fiber front splitter. It's in great shape, as you can see. Awesome, accents nicely with the side skirts. And we'll just have a close look here, see if there's anything I can point out to you. Let's see, there's one little touch up here that's been done. One little mark right here. And one over here. So You barely see that one, but it is there. So I just want to share that with you, just be straightforward. And we'll just shift around this side here so you can have a look at the other front wheel. So again, nice Z51 style wheels, black painted Corvette calipers, heavy duty brakes, Michelin tires, and same thing back here. Awesome. So at the driver's side, again, we've got that nice Bose 10 speaker stereo. We've got our power windows, we've got our power locks, 2 user memory with a programmable exit button, electronic door release, and that nice baseball stitching along the door panel. Here's your kick plate on the driver's side. A little bit of minor scuffing there, but you know, that's what it is there for, so it's doing its job. We've got the power seat, power fore, aft, up, down, power recline, lumbar, and side bolster adjustment. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks good. And again, we've got that nice competition seat with the carbon fiber inlay. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And let's get in and fire this one up. So in terms of kilometers, we have 28,974. No warning lights or issues there on the dash. On this side of the steering wheel, we've got our cruise control buttons. Down here, we've got our track change or favorite buttons. On this side, we've got volume controls. Above, we've got the arrow keys, which work the dash. So we get info, performance, audio, phone, nav, and settings. Those are controlled there. You get telephone hang up, voice command, and telephone answer here. We've got rev match. So you just click this turns it on. If you click it again, that will turn it off. What rev match does is it revs the engine when you're downshifting to match the speed of the transmission. So very cool. And just over here, we've got our heads up display controls. We've got power mirrors, trunk release, and motion alarm on and off. We've got power tilt and telescopic steering wheel. We've got our dimmer switch up there. And I'll just show you there on the windscreen. So there's the heads up display there, and you can cycle through the different information. So that's great. And then on this side here, we've got our push button start. We've got behind screen storage with USB port. We've got audio, so audio is going to be AM, FM, Sirius XM. So you just cycle through by hitting this button here, and you can change through the different radio. Media is going to be auxiliary in, USB, and Bluetooth streaming. Telephone is telephone control, so you can pair your phone with Bluetooth. Nav, so there's your full factory nav. PDR, so we've got the full performance data recorder. And if I put it in reverse here, there's your backup camera. And we'll just go home again. If we hit the temperature knob here for the driver, there's the driver's temperature, and on the right side was the passenger's temperature. There's the secondary controls there for the passenger heating and heated and cooled seats. And then we've got the secondary controls over here for that. So there's the driver's cooled seat and heated seat. And then we've got the Stingray nameplate there. We've got 12-volt socket here. We've got cup holders, electronic parking brake, and the mode selector. When we twist the mode selector on the screen, we get touring, sport, track, weather, eco, touring, or back to sport. So that will change the exhaust and the suspension feel as well. And then in here, we've got an SD card, 2 USBs, an auxiliary line in, and a 12-volt socket plug as well. Here's your frameless auto-dimming rear view mirror with OnStar, and there's your auto-dimming driver's side mirror. So we'll just hop out with it running, have a look and listen. Nice bark to it, sounds great. So we'll hop out and have a look here with the headlights on. Here it is from the front. Love the carbon fiber add-ons, they look great. And we'll just scan down this side of the car. And I'll just show you from the back. There it is with the LED tail lights. Looks great coming down the road. Nice rumble to the exhaust. There you you have it, folks. 2015 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe Stingray Z51 2LT in Laguna Blue, here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.